The Eufy Robovac 15C Max comes with a remote control that you can store in its charging base. You can also control this and set up cleaning schedules on an app on your phone. You can control it with your voice, with Google Assistant or Amazon Echo. And it has a 2000 Pascal suction power, so it's very powerful, and it'll increase power if it's over thick carpet or if it detects a large amount of debris. It has a 100-minute runtime, and it'll automatically return to the charging base if the battery is low or if it's finished its cleaning. And you have multiple cleaning modes: automatic, spot cleaning, you have edge cleaning where it'll follow the wall, or you can control it manually with your remote control or an app on your phone. It's only 2.85 inches tall, so this is going to go under a lot of furniture. It has a low noise level of 58 decibels on the standard suction, and a very large, easy to remove dust bin, and this has an integrated filter that's removable. It comes with extra side brushes, an extra filter, and a cleaning tool. It has 10 infrared sensors to prevent it from hitting obstacles and going downstairs, and it has bumper sensors.